What's your favorite nut?
My search led me to the study of the spiritual forces with which all of us are blessed. And it was in this field that I came upon a clue. I want to describe my discovery in the simplest terms possible, because it will reveal to you why it is true that whatever the mind can conceive and believe, the mind can When you speak of your poverty and lack of education, you are simply directing your mind's power to attract these undesirable circumstances. Because it is true that whatever your mind feeds upon, your mind attracts to you. Now you see why it is important that you recognize that all success begins with definiteness of purpose, with a clear picture in your mind of precisely what you want in life.
Saturday morning, and I might have made some bad decisions last night. I went to downtown San Jose, so my brain kind of mushy, but it's all good. We made it in time for class. The weather is super foggy out here. Are we in San Francisco? This is a San Francisco native. He makes it very clear that he's from San Francisco, saying that he's from the city. What's your favorite part of San Francisco? Food. We're taking too many L's this morning. Our post-88 adventures got us fucked up. First, what are some L's that we took? What's some L's we took?
Oh, I fucked up my quiz and I got a 2.5 out of 20.
Ooh, and for me, I didn't know we had an assignment due this morning, and when I found out about it, it was 11 p.m. and I was in downtown. So I did it with no brain cells. But we look cute with our sweaters, might I say. No, we're going to Boiling Crab.
Oh, okay, I don't know. I don't go to these kind of places.
Really?
Yeah.
You've never been? Ever? Do you like seafood? Do you like shrimp?
Yeah, shrimp's good.
Do you like, are you okay with peeling shrimp?
Yeah.
You
I love
should.
peeling. I actually like peeling it. Like, I'm like,
You
I
like
don't
peeling
really care
shrimp?
Yeah, it's fun.
Are you a good peeler?
Okay.
What are things that could be peeled?
Pistachios.
What?
Pistachios.
Pistachios.
Yeah,
Don't
the
you
shell.
crack? Don't you crack them?
Like it's.
Well, like, don't you crack it? Isn't it like a nut? Wait, is a pistachio a nut?
Yeah, it's a nut.
Oh.
Not my favorite nut, but.
What's your favorite nut?
The cashews.
I feel like this is my 4th time going to N7 for the vlog. But I'm taking Jasmine for her first time because she needs content. Okay, you can show your drink to the camera. We're fruit tea sluts. I'm back here at Goku and I'm currently waiting for everyone here. I'm hella full. Okay, so we're doing our first charcuterie board together. She said you can make a flower out of a solo cup with the salami, so we're gonna test out that theory.
The ultimate truth.
is attempt number 3. Let's see, she got it. She got it.
Wait, no.
Oh!
My God. Wait, that's so cute. But anywhere else? Ooh, it looks so cute. It's like Christmas.
Cheers.
Cheers. You're supposed to like spin it.
It brings out the aroma, and then you sniff it.
Okay. Oh.
Okay, sniff.
Smell it, right?
So this is my first time drinking wine non-slapped. And I'm not sure what the slapping does, but we'll slap to that. Maybe it stimulates its energy. You know?
Probably.
Like, you ain't a little bitch.
It's vitamin.
So do you think pirates are like the gang of the ocean?
Yeah. Wait, haven't you seen that movie with Tom Hanks?
Pirates of Caribbean?
No, it's
Do you think that they're like the stereotype? What do you guys think?
no, like
No,
they're
just criminals.
they look scary. Like they
Really?
don't- Yeah, like their teeth are like fucked up.
Ew.
They have long hair. Like they're dirty.
Do they have parrots?
I don't know. I don't think so.